has been about navigating our way through our university. Obviously, it's a big transition from high school to university, but also as Pasifika students leaving home, this program has meant that we have some sort of sense of home and belonging here at the University of Otago.
One thing for me that surprised me was the academic side of things. Compared to school, the workload is quite difficult. Being a part of this program kind of gave me the introduction to what it's going to be like throughout the year and throughout my uni life.
Even though everyone is from different places around New Zealand, we all have the same ideas and think the same about what we're learning.
The 6-week program has been really good to meet new people, learn new skills, which will benefit me when uni starts.
The best thing about Kickstart is learning more about your culture, knowing who you are coming into university, and being reminded of your morals, your standards, your values.
Reaching outside your comfort zone, building up your confidence and learning to mingle with people that you don't know, and learning that high school was not as hard as you thought it was.
At the start, I think everyone was strangers, but after the last couple of weeks, we've all come together, and I'd say we're probably like family now.
It was really hard for us to leave home at such an early time in the year, but I reckon if you start early, it'll be a really good experience for your future studies.
Trust me, it's worth it. It'll probably be the best part of your year.